Hi teacher, I'm going to talk about the steam engine. First, the steam engine was invented by Thomas Saver in 1689. It was a kind of a pump that used to remove water from mines. Then in 1712, one of the most practical atmospheric engines was designed and invented by Thomas Newcomen. This engine consisted in a series of steam pistons joined, like unidos, creo, joined by chains that went up and down to remove the water from the mines. This engine or this design was unique for approximately 50 years. Then this steam engine was improved or how do you say improved or upgraded by James Watt, and with the help of the wheel, the steam engine helped to transport people. Help, like with the invention of the steamboat that used a steam engine and a wheel. And then the railway and other vehicles inspired in this steamboat. This invention became the most used mode of transport, the railway, and over the years, the steam engine was mainly helping the development of transport machines such as the car, for example. Thank you.